Alright, so I'll be showing you how to fund your wallet, your VIIEAGENCY wallet, using Gray, Trust Wallet, and using Gray and Trust Wallet. Alright, so the first thing that you do is to open your Gray account. Alright, okay, this is my OP. Let's open Gray. Let's open Gray first. When you open Gray now, alright, you go to add money. Look at that add money there. You click on add money. When you click on add money, look at the still in USD. You change it to naira because you are sending in naira. And when you are sending, you send via bank transfer. Click on via bank transfer. Make sure that when you are sending, that you send to account name bearing this your name here. That means you must send from your personal account. Don't send with any other one. It must be your personal account name. Like you, since you are seeing Samson here, the account that you send to must be bearing Samson alone. So you cannot send to from a business name or a business account or something different. It must be that name. Alright, so when you copy the account, go to your OP, paste the account that you copied. Let's go back because let's go back. Okay, enter the account number. Alright, when you enter the account number, you bring out their bank Wema. Alright, it's verified account. This is your account name on this thing, on Gray. Alright, you click on next, enter the amount that you want to pay into. Let's just start with 5,000 because this is for this tutorial sake. Alright, you copy it, enter the 5,000 naira, enter the amount that you want to send, enter 5,000 naira, then you send. After sending it, alright, after when you are done sending, okay, just complete the payment. Alright, just hold on. Once you are done, okay, let's proceed with the transaction. Just hold on a bit. Okay, now we have completed the transfer. So after completing the transfer, you go back to your Gray account. Alright, you go back to your Gray account. Most times usually takes 5 minutes to reflect. What we are going to do is we are going to end this live. We are going to end this video. When it reflects, we'll come back so that it will not take our time. Right, as you can see here, the amount that was sent has reflected, showing 3.50. All right, but we are not just going to send directly to our crypto. We first of all have to convert it from this naira to USD. All right, that's why I say you should have Gray. That's the need for Gray. And but if you have other means, of sending crypto like directly without going through this long process, fine. But since this is the only one that we have, we'll make use of it. First of all, you convert this 5,000 naira because it's still in 5,000. It's still in naira here. Look at it here. It's still in naira here. We'll convert it to USD. So you click on convert. Change this place here that you're converting from. Change to naira. Then change this place that you are converting to USD. Okay. Then you enter the amount that you are converting. Alright, this is it here. Enter 5,000 naira. Enter 5,000 naira. Oh, sorry, because have you seen why it not work? Because this is still naira. So make sure that this place is USD. The place that you are converting to, make sure that it's in USD. Alright, that's the only time that this thing that can work. Alright, try adding your number again. Okay. Now it's time. What we will receive is 3.46. You click on continue. When you click on continue, you enter your password. Enter your password. Okay. First, you only enter password when you want to send out to other people. So after your conversion, you go to your Trust Wallet. Go to your Trust Wallet. You copy your what you are copying is USDC because Gray doesn't send. Sorry, USDC. Yeah, Gray doesn't copy any other any other crypto. They don't send any other cryptocurrency apart from USDC. So you click on send plus this plus funds. That's to add funds. You click on plus funds. All right. You select crypto. I said maybe you want to do P2P, but I always use crypto, which is the easiest. B2P is you want to buy from someone within Trust Wallet exchange. Just select what's it called, crypto wallet. Then you search for USDC. USDC. You get when it brings out USDC, make sure that the one that you choose is this one that says USDC BNB Smart Wallet. That's the one that you choose. You click on it. When you click on it, you bring this thing out. You just click on copy to copy this wallet address that you have here. After copying it, you go back to your gray and click on send. When you click on send, you select send via crypto. All right. When you select this send via crypto, okay, you select the crypto that I want to send, which is this USDC. This is why I say you should make sure you select USDC, because this gray only send USDC. All right, so you select USDC, you enter the network, and the reason why I said you should use BNB Smart Wallet. This one now is smart chain here. That's the one that you say, which is BIP20. Take note of all this network, because if you make a mistake and select wrong network, your money has gone. Like Caskia, you don't go. You select this one here. You enter the wallet that you copied. That wallet that you copied. You enter it now. Then you continue. You click on continue. You enter the amount that you want to send. I have read everything. You just enter the amount here. 3.06. Okay. If this is the amount that you send. They always reduce money. They always cutting money. They always cutting money. So you click on continue. All right. Then you enter your password here. Enter your password. So as you can see, you have sent the money. You have sent the money to Trust Wallet. You have sent it in form of crypto to Trust Wallet. Now let's go back to our Trust Wallet here. All right. The money has entered. Sent. Let's go back. What we'll do here is, as you can see, the one that entered here is BNB, is USDC. But when we are sending to VIIEAGENCY, before you send to VIIEAGENCY, you must convert it to BNB or USDC, because BNB, you must convert to BNB or USDC, because VIIEAGENCY don't accept USDC. They don't accept USDC, so it's really confusing. Then you convert that one that you sent, that smart chain. Wait, what is going on here? Let me refresh. The money, okay, it has reflected now. All right. So what you just do is to convert this $2.4 USDC. You convert it to BNB. All right. Enter the amount here. Enter 2.43, which is the amount that you are sending. You click on continue. After you click on continue now, you click on confirm swap. All right. It's now swapping. Just hold on. It's in progress, as you can see here. It's in progress. Okay. When we go back, you see that it must have completed. All right. So it has completed the swapping. Like everything has completed. All right. Now it's now time to send from this Trust Wallet to fund your VIIEAGENCY account. So this is what you do. You come to your VIIEAGENCY here. Come to your VIIEAGENCY. Select all crypto. Select this option, all crypto, which has a minimum of $3 here. All right, you select it, enter the amount that I want to send. Me, I'm sending, how much am I sending? I'm sending $40.5. All right, so I've select $40.5. Click on pay. When you click on pay, you take to another page where you select the crypto that you are sending at the network.
So you select BNB because it's BNB that will have in our trust wallet. That's what we converted from. We converted from USDC to BNB. As you can see here, there's no USDC here. There's no USDC. That's why you have to convert from that USDC that you sent from Gray to BNB before you can send here, because you know, okay, then you have USDC, but the issue that sometimes it's not consistent. It's not consistent. Sometimes you might see, sometimes you might not see it. So I always send through this one here. So I'll just select my BNB. All right, you click on proceed. When you click on proceed, you copy this amount here. Make sure you send this exact amount. Make sure you send this exact amount. Don't send anything else. Just copy this stuff here. Click on this place, you will copy. Then this is the address. This is the wallet address. You click on this place here, you will still copy. Then you come back to your trust wallet. Make sure you are sending this exact amount that you saw on that this figure. Don't send anything less, because if you send anything higher or lower than that, the money will be sent to VIIEAGENCY crypto address. But you have to come and start messaging customer care to locate your transaction and fund that exact amount that you send. That's why you have to send the exact amount, because it is an automated process. So you click on send here, you select BNB smart wallet, right? You enter the wallet address first. You enter the wallet address, then come back to this place and enter that amount that you selected. Alright, as you can see here, you enter the amount, the one, then you send. Alright, you send. Just hold on a bit. Let it finish loading. Right, click on continue, then enter your password. Alright, as you can see, it has sent. That is the progress. The thing has sent. So when you send, you come back to this place and wait for you to process the payment. Don't leave this page. You make sure that you stay here till it confirms the payment too. If not, you still have to come and start messaging customer care to file the transaction and fund the account. Alright, it says here payment is paid. Alright, you have successfully paid the amount into your wallet. So you go back here. As you can see, 4 it has added. So that's how to do it. It's very simple.